Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of ASP.NET Core. In this session, we will see how we can prevent or stop cross-site scripting or XSS attacks in our .NET Core web application. For today's session, I'm going to use Visual Studio 2022 or 22 and ASP.NET Core 6.0 Web API. And also, I'm going to use HTML Sanitizer, a NuGet package to implement the XSS prevention. And also I'm going to use middleware. If you don't know about middleware and custom middleware, you can follow my this video. I will give in the video description as well as the I button. Please check it out. Guys, before starting the session, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So what is XSS or cross-site scripting? Cross-site scripting is an attack which an attacker injects malicious executable script into the code of a trusted application or website. Let's say there is a contact us form, there is a message. So you want to enter the exact data or you want to enter the value, but attacker can enter some malicious executable script. We will see this one. So you can see here is a contact us form, name, email and messages is there. So a hacker can inject some malicious script like this one, this JavaScript or any CSS script to our application through the UI if the developer or the system admin is not preventing that attack. So how we can prevent this cross-site scripting attack in our ASP.NET Core application, we will see. So this is Visual Studio 2022. I am going to create a new project, which is a .NET Core Web API. I am keeping SXX demo. Click on next. I am keeping for .NET 6.0 long-term support. Click on create. Okay, it will create, will take 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Guys, to create this kind of video, it takes times and effort to practice, to create video and to upload. If you do like, please give me a like and please share your comment and suggestion in the comment box. After completion of this video, I'm going to keep this project source code in the Google Drive and I'm going to keep the Google Drive link in the video description. You can also check it out. So our application got created, few pages. In the Solution Explorer, we have controller. Let's add one more controller here. So I'm adding a API controller and giving the name as XSS, just giving demo controller. Okay. Now in the demo controller, I will write a post method to post same data which we saw, name, email address and message. So I no need of this router actually. Inside this, I'm going to add a API which is post comment or post contact us, which will be a HTTP post. and I'm going to create a model. I'm directly going to create a model here, public class public string name, right? So I'm going to keep free properties and message. Here I'm declaring this content as an input. Now if model not equal to null, then it will return okay, success, else return bad request, right? Let's run the application and see we can inject this kind of code to our application or what. If it is accepting this kind of infected script to our application, that means our application is vulnerable. Attacker can hack our application by injecting client-side scripting. So our application is running. It will take few seconds first time. Get run. So our application got run. Here is a post. Let's try it out. If I am injecting some record like this, so this is a infected script, and now I am infected here. All name, email, and message. Try to execute is success, but it is infected. We should block. So how can we do this? Let's implement. Stop the application from running. Open your NuGet package manager, which is manage NuGet package. In the browse section, search for HTML sanitizer. Install to our project. Done. It got installed. If you see, yes, it got installed, right? Now go to our application, create a middleware. Now we have to create a middleware here. So I'm adding a class here, add class, which will be an anti-XSS middleware. Okay. Next, I will add a class for response messages. How to do this? So I added a class for response messages. Next, inside the anti-XSS middleware class, I'm going to write my code. For the sake of timing, actually I have copy pasted the code. I have added a request delegate and HTTP status code is an integer. Now I have created a method read request body and respond to it error. Here it is asking for JSON convert for NuGet package. So install the NuGet package.json. Okay, it will install. Next task is to write the invoke method for the middleware. Okay. So I have written a invoke method, public async invoke, HTTP context is the parameter, and then I'm reading the context as a read request body, which is this method. Now I'm checking creating a HTML sanitizer object. Now creating a sanitize object, then sanitizer the sanitize the particular context content we are getting, request context. Next, I am checking if the actual content is not equal to the sanitized content, then it will respond me with an error. So this is a method we created, this one with XSS detected. Now the task is to add middleware class. Next, to add middleware class in our program.cs. So I have added a class anti-XSS middleware extension. That particular middleware class, I am extending this one with extension. And here I have a method iApplicationBuilder use anti-XSS middleware. It is taking the iApplicationBuilder and returning the same as builder.use middleware. The same thing we can write by inheriting this one from I middleware, I can do this one like this, but I gone little bit a different way, and I have created a separate class, and here it is adding the middleware. Now we need to use this anti-XSS middleware in our program.cs file here. App.use anti-XSS middleware. So we need to using statement, yes, right, using, done. Now run the application and try to post infected script, and we'll check how it is working. Great. This is a little bit of security related task, so don't hurriedly deploy in your production. The complete testing fast. So let's try it out. So I'm giving the string something something and something something. Try it out. It is coming success. Now I will add my inject infected script. Now execute. You can see bad request, right? But if we can add a proper sim, so let's say Ajay, it is coming success. In the email part, let's put one more infected script. Let's try to execute bad request, right? So this is now try success. We have another infected script, little bit tricky. Let's try to post in message, execute. We are getting bad request. Now we have a writing a proper message, execute. We have success. So in this way we can block XSS script in our .NET Core web application. Guys, I hope you like this video and it will help in your application. Please give your suggestion and comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.